Student, so we have to factorize the given quadratic polynomial by using factor theorem. Okay, in place of factor theorem, it may be given by the trial. Okay, it means we need not apply splitting the middle term, but certain value of variables, say here y can be taken if it is satisfying. Satisfying means if that y is a 0, then we can say y minus that 0 is one of the factor. Okay, so that technique is used here. So right here, the given polynomial is py is equals to y square minus of 5y plus of 6. Okay, so we want to get the zeros basically, and that zeros by using trial or just by choosing some value, substituting. And if this py becomes 0, then that will be a 0. Okay, that way. So but what to choose, the question is that, so give here trial for y. अभी आपको यह यानी कि y के वैल्यू इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करने हैं सो दैट दिस py becomes 0, यानी y के ऐसे वैल्यू हमें ट्रायल में चूज करने हैं कि जब आप इसमें पुट करेंगे y के जगह पे वो वैल्यू वो आपको 0 मिल रहे हैं. नाउ वन मे थिंक, okay, let me substitute y. So you are free to choose any value. Say y is equals to 1 may choose 0, 1 may choose 1, 1 may choose 2, 1 may choose 3, 1 may choose 4, 1 may choose 5. Even some of you may choose -1, -2, -3, -4, etc. Okay, means you are free to choose any values. But a student, if you are going to take each and every value then substituting it, it will take a longer time. Okay, so which number we shall choose? For that we are using a shortcut, or we are using a trick that whatever this c is there, you first factorize it, then whatever the possible factor, you choose those values only, you try with those values. Okay, so but which one? The question is which one we shall give the trial. For this you have to take the again a into c, that you have to do whatever we were doing for splitting the middle term, nearly the same thing. A into c first we have to do. See here, a is 1, c is 6. Student, I hope you are getting. Comparing this quadratic polynomial with the standard one, here we can get a is equals to 1, b is equals to -5, c is equals to 6. Okay, student, so a into c become 6. Now student, you have to choose the possible factors of this 6. What you can choose? A student, one may choose as earlier 1 into 6, or one may choose -1 into -6. Okay, one may choose 2 into 3, or -2 into -3. These are the only factors. If you are taking other factor, you cannot get. So what are the factor? So factor are 1, 6, or -1, -6, 2, 3, -2, -3. So what are the possible factors? That let us write.
-2 +3 minus.
Okay, that splitting of middle term, there we have to choose among this pair, one pair we have to choose. Okay, but here just possible factor of AC we are writing, means whatever this AC we have taken, that one, it could be 1, -1, 6, -6, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3. So a student, keep in mind, in the trial method or in this factor theorem method, you are free to take any value of this variable for the trial. But which value we shall choose? So give the trial with this thing only. Therefore, whatever these factor of AC that we are getting, only among these factors you have to give the trial. So give trial for y is equals to either 1 minus 1, 6 or minus 6, or 2 or minus 2, or 3 and minus 3. Only this one. How many such possible trial are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 only. So maximum you just give the 8 times. But if you were taking the earlier, say minus, plus, minus 2, minus 4, minus 3, you can take any number. So no need to go for just with your will and wishes, but rather you calculate this AC, and whatever these factor you are getting, so with this factor you just give the trial. Out of these 8 factors, you will get 2 factor which is able to make this py is equals to 0. Okay, so right here, just for your information, out of these 8 factors, these are the factor of which one? AC. Okay, now 2 will make this py is equals to 0. Okay, only 2. So these 2 which is able to make this py is equals to 0, that will give us the zeros. Okay, and by knowing the zeros, just a reverse of the factorization method can be gone. Okay, student, what was that one? If there was any polynomial, say x square minus of x minus of 6 is equals to 0. If it was like this one, then we were factorizing this as x minus 3 and x plus 2 is equals to 0 by splitting the middle term. Okay, student? Then we were equating this first equals to 0. X minus 3 is equals to 0. And the other one, x plus 2 is equals to 0. So 2 things we were getting. Okay, means here we were getting x equals to 3, and from this side we were getting x is equals to minus 2. Okay, student? So this was the normal method of splitting the middle term. It was this one. But here, whatever the method that we are going to apply, and the question is asked, in that what we have to do, just by this trial we will get these 2. Okay, whatever these 2 thing means 2 zeros that we have calculated by splitting middle term. So by trial in this factorization method, we have to get the value of y. Then we have to go reverse what? Okay, by knowing this y, you will go reverse what? You will get this linear factor. Then you will just multiply it, you will get this one. Then you will again go for multiplication, you will get this one. So just reverse we have to go. Okay, student? So that's why which y value we shall take. For that, this is the hint that you first calculate AC, and whatever the factor of this AC that you are getting, those among those you have to give the trial. And in this, only 2 value of y or 2 factor is able to satisfy this. So now, so try. Therefore, what we have to do? We have to take y is equals to, say, let us take 1. What is py? Means py means it is the p1 that we are going to calculate. Substitute. What is our py? Py is our y square minus 5x plus 6. So y square means 1 square minus of 5 into 1 plus 6. See, student, you have to calculate this. 1 minus of 5 plus 6. It is how much? 617 minus 5. It is 2. Is it equals to 0? This is not equals to 0. So what does it mean? This simply mean y is equals to 1 is not a 0 of py. When y is equals to 1 is not a 0 of py, then in earlier class we have written y minus 1 cannot be a factor. Factor of py. Are you getting? So this way, this one is being rejected. So this you have to keep in mind. So this way, this one is now rejected. Now the same we have to try with this minus 1. Let us try it. So take, let now let us take the y value as minus 1. Then again you have to try. What is p of minus 1? What it become? Minus 1 square minus of 5 into minus 1 plus of 6. See how much it become? How much it become? Again
1 minus 5 plus 6.
Good. So again it is your 2 only. Means it is like 7 minus 5. It is 2. This is not equals to 0. What does it mean? It simply means
y is equals to minus
Y is
1
not
is
a
not a
factor.
0 of
minus
p
1
of
is
y.
good. Not a 0 of
Y by p by y.
So y minus 1 can't be a
it
factor.
means bring this minus 1 on left hand side. Y plus 1 cannot be a factor. Factor of py. So this is what the remainder theorem tells. If this x plus a is a factor, then x equals to or p of minus a will be equal to 0. That was the factor theorem. So just reverse of that we are going. Student, so this way we have observed even this minus 1 is also not a factor. Now let us try with this minus 2. Let us increase slowly and or 2. Let y is equals to now 2. Which one 2? These two I am taking. Okay now, student? Now please try. What is p of 2? It becomes 2 square
Minus plus
5
minus
into
5
2 plus
5
6.
into 2 plus 6.
4 plus,
4
sorry,
plus
4
4 minus 10 plus 6.
5. Yes. Find it. How much it become? 10 plus
Minus
6.
6 plus 6, which is equal to 0.
Very good. So what
So
does
y
it mean?
minus 2 is a factor.
So y, can I write directly? So whatever this y equals to 2, bring this 2 on left hand side.
Y
So
minus 2 is a factor.
is a factor of y. Okay, student. So this way we have obtained one of the factor. But since it is a quadratic equation, it must have two factors. Example I have taken here just for your illustration on right hand side. Okay, where from a quadratic polynomial we were getting two linear polynomials. Okay, student. So in the similar fashion, here also we have obtained y minus 2 as only one factor. The other factor we also have to obtain. So therefore, go for y is equals to say minus 2. Then you will say p of minus 2 will not be 0. So now let y is equals to minus 2. Here you have to write the let what? Now what is your p of minus 2? Again do the same thing.
Minus 2 square minus
Good.
5 into minus 2 plus 6.
So quickly you people can do it. It become 4 and then it is 10. It become 20, which is not equals to 0. So this indicate, see, whatever y minus 2 is here, it become y plus 2 cannot be a factor. Factor of p of y. Okay, student. Similarly, we have to go for the other one. Now let y is equals to 3. Which 3 we are taking, a student? Whatever the AC factorization we have done. So this was okay. Now let us take. So this was not okay. You can test for the 6 and minus 6 also. You will get it is not becoming 0. Now let us try with this 3. This implies what is p of 3? 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus of 6. 9 minus 15 plus of 6. Add 9 and 6 become 15 minus 15. This is equals to 0. What does it mean? It means y equals to 3 is a zeros. Means
It is a factor
good.
of py.
Y
Y minus 3 is a
minus
factor.
3 is another factor. Another factor. A student, what are the two factors? If you try with the other one, say
Y
if you
minus
try
2
with this 6, say for this 6 or this minus 3, you will get this will also not satisfy. This way will observe only 2 of these trials is satisfying or giving the fact. So thus, what are the two factors that we have obtained by applying the trial? Thus, two factors of py are what they are. Say, one we have obtained this one. Student, you are getting this? It was one factor, means y minus 2 was one factor, and this is the other factor. Are y minus 2 and y minus
3.
And a student, just recall, if a polynomial is given, then on splitting the middle term, we were able to reach to two factor as the product. Okay, the same thing I have just example I have taken and written in this red ink. You can observe the red part. Means even the single quadratic equation or polynomial was splitted into the product of two brackets. Okay, then these two brackets were giving us the zeros. Now just reverse we have done. We have first by trial we have obtained the zeros in given question. Then we have obtained these two factors. So what will be the overall factor of this quadratic polynomial? The product of these two means this step now we are going. Okay, student. So therefore this px can be written as px, which is the given px is our x square minus of 5x plus 6. This can be written as product of these two, whatever we have obtained by the trial. So y minus 2 into y minus 3. So this way we have obtained the answer. Are you getting? So this way, the single quadratic polynomial get converted into the product of two linear polynomials. And that is the meaning of factorization. You have to break one polynomial as the product of two polynomials of lower degrees. Okay? Or at least two polynomials. So this way, we are able to factorize. So this is the final answer. Okay, student? You can verify this by splitting the middle term. Right? Verify.
Sir, for factor theorem, can we use the both methods?
नहीं, फैक्टर थ्योरम जब आपको पूछे तो अभी जो हमने यहां तक स्टॉप किया, यहीं पर आपको स्टॉप कर देना है. यही आपका आंसर आ गया. देखिए, आप ट्रायल लेते गए, आपने ये दो फैक्टर निकाल लिए. Means these two factor you have obtained by the trial. Then you are writing the given polynomial equals to the product of two factors. Okay? So here you have to stop. But whether that you have obtained is correct or not, for that you can verify. Or this is the method 2. Means verify above by factorization. Above by splitting middle term. Okay, student, that we are going to do. So by using splitting middle term, we can verify. तो ये जरा भी आप लोग करके हमें दिखला सकते हैं स्टूडेंट. Student, our polynomial is, what is our polynomial? The polynomial px is x square minus of 5x plus of 6.
No, it is y.
Yeah, in
You
place
know
of
why?
x, it is y, student. So do the minor
Y
correction.
square minus 5y plus 6.
Yes. So do the minor correction. The variable is written in the term of y. So write y. Okay. That is good. So student, it is our y square minus 5y plus of 6. Okay, student, that you have to factorize by using the splitting middle term. So again, for splitting middle term, what we are doing? AC that we are taking 1 into 6, it is 6.
6y square.
Now for this 6, you have to write all the factors. What you can write? You can write 1 into 6,
1 into 6.
minus 1 into minus 6,
Sir,
minus 2 or 2 into 3. The next one is minus 2 into minus 3. Okay, order doesn't matter. If you are adding these two factors, means whatever the pair you are taking, so if you are going for that, means 1 plus 6, here you are getting 7. But what is our middle term b? The middle term b is
Minus
our
5.
minus 5. So this minus 5 indicate we shall try with the negative. Okay, not the positive.
Minus 2,
Obviously,
minus
we are
3.
trying this, we are not getting. Now, if you are adding this to minus 1, minus of 6,
minus 7.
Minus 7.
good. So this is also not suitable for us. Now try this. Means it
Plus
is 1
5.
plus 3, it is 5, it is not suitable.
Plus
But
5.
if I am trying this, it
Minus
is
5.
minus 2, minus 3, it is
5.
minus.
It will be minus 5.
Good. So therefore, what we shall choose?
Y square
Minus
minus
2y.
Which one is the
minus
suitable
2y
one? Very
minus
good.
3y plus 6.
So therefore, the substitution what we are going to do, minus 5 should be splitted into minus 2, minus 3. It means the middle term is our minus 5x. So this should be written as minus twice of x, minus of thrice of x. Okay. So middle term minus 5 is going to be replaced by these two terms. Okay. So this I have taken the x. Here the variable is y. So better to use the term y here. Okay, student. So in question, the variable attached is y. So write this, y square minus 5y will be replaced by these two.
Minus 2
Minus 2y minus 3y plus 6.
Very good. And the last c is our 6 that we have to carry as it is. Now take the common from the first two terms.
y.
Y minus 2.
Y minus 2.
And from next two, you are getting that the
3.
minus 3 is common. So
3
y, it
y
is
minus
equal So the sign will change because minus sign is taken out before the bracket. So the internal sign will be reversed. So it becomes minus of 3 to the 6. So only 2 will be left here. Okay, student. Now these two bracket which is common means
Y minus 3 and Y minus 2.
common. What is left is this y and this is minus 3. So y minus 3.
3.
So see, this is the answer. Are we getting the same thing or different?
Same
So we
thing,
are
sir.
getting the same thing. Okay. So it is the same. This implies it is verified. So student, splitting the middle term is quite easy method. Say by factorization method, you have to give the trial. So trial will take some time. So unless or until it is mentioned to do the question by factorization method, you always adopt this splitting the middle term. Okay, student? There are few more methods
Okay.
called completing the square and discriminant method or quadratic formula method. These things we will learn in class 10. Okay, student? So shall I stop it here or any more doubt to any student? Then please ask.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
So हम यहाँ stop करेंगे क्या?
Okay, sir. Sir?